In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up AI trading robots inside Johnny Blockchain. Now, before we get started, I want to show you the Binance account that I'm going to be working with. So the Binance account that I'm going to be using is my sister's account. She's given me access to this. We put a small amount of funds in here. As you can see, the total amount of funds at the time of making the video is 153.31. And you'll see that that's made up of 128 BUSD, and you'll see that it's got BNB there. So as you can see, there's no other funds inside here. And if I go over to Johnny Blockchain has picked up the BUSD balance of 128.67 because that's what we're going to be working with. And if we go over to Binance, you can see that's 128.66. It's a penny out. So as you can see, all these other boxes have got zeros in them, except for this one over here, which is the BNB balance. And you need to keep a balance of BNB to pay for the trading fees, because every time you do a trade on Binance, there's a trading fee. And that fee, if you pay it in BNB, you save 25% on the trading fees. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the trading box control panel, which is here. And as you can see right now, there's no bots set up at all. So to create a new robot, simply click on this plus sign. From here, you can choose the trading pair. So I'm going to choose this trading pair, and I'm going to give my robot a name. So what I do is I normally put the coin that I'm trading in, and then I'm going to put today's date, which is the 7th of Feb. And the time now is 9:46 a.m. So that's my trading pair chose. That's my date that I started the bot as well. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the bot active, so I'm going to leave that there. I'm not going to compound. I'm going to leave auto compounding off, and I'm going to put this one, the robot type, I'm going to put infinite. I want it to keep trading. I don't want it to buy one trade and then wait for a profit and then sell. I want the robot to keep trading. So now let's look at this side of the screen and below. As you can see here, the default is 600 BUSD. Well, we know I don't have 600 BUSD. I only have 128. So what I want to do is to get rid of some of the trading strategies so that it fits my budget. And if I look here, you see it's telling me that I need 602 BUSD. I need to get rid of some of these strategies. And if you look, there's all these strategies here that the robot could do. So this robot can handle 80% drop in the market and it will carry on making a profit. But for it to do that, it needs $600. Well, I don't have $600. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start deleting some of these off. So I'm going to come down to here. I'm just going to click on the delete button. So as you can see now, I'm at $128, and you always want to make sure that your initial order is $20. You don't want to do with lower than $20. Now, if I wanted to set up 2 robots, then I need to split my funds, and I've got 128 and I need to divide that by 2. So that means I'll be able to set up a robot with $64. So I need to get rid of some of these strategies at the bottom. And we're now at $84. And what we'll do is we'll change this one to 100%. We're now at $64. So I need to put in here $64 because that's what I've got. And my first trade is going to be for $20. Now, moving over to this setting, when do I want my bot to buy the first lot? Well, if I look at the chart, I can see that the chart's had a bit of a pump up. So I really want to start it more or less straight away. So I'm going to change that to 0001. And in this setting here, you can leave it default. It's got the profit trigger. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail of what that is, but basically, when the price rises up by 1.5%, that will trigger the profits. The bot wants to see a retracement come down by 0.6. So that means I'd get a 0.9% profit if that scenario played out. If that scenario didn't play out and the price went up by 1.5%, but then kept on going, the bot wouldn't take any profits until it sees that retracement. So what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to put 0.8. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to drop that down to 0.1. So we'll put that 0.8 and we'll drop that down to 0.1. So that means I should get a profit of at least 0.7 on each trade. And then once I've done that, all I need to do is click save. And then if I come over to the Binance chart here, in a moment, we should see the robot start to take a trade. There we go. As you can see, it's bought its first trade. So if you come up to this icon here, it looks like a little building there. It's grayed out at the moment. And what we want to do is see order history on the page. So if you click that, you'll see that there's a green arrow that's appeared now. And if I move the chart across and come down a little bit, I can see when that bought. And as you can see, it's had a little bit of a pump on that. And we're just waiting now to see if there's going to be profit. It says it's already filled the order and it's made a profit. Okay, so it's sold at the top there because it felt that there was a retracement coming. It could well buy another order. So if I go back to Johnny Blockchain, and this time you see here's the chart and it shows nothing. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh the page. And you can see in the time of making this video, it made me 0.25%, which is 16 cents on my $20 that it was trading with. So I've already got a 16 cents profit. As you can see, it's sticking up there and it's done one trade. So let's come back over to Binance. And as you can see now, that candle peaked up. That was the highest point that it got. It's placed another order there. And if I come down the bottom of the chart and I go to trade history, I can see there that I've got a buy, then a sell. And that was where it made me some profit. And then it's done another buy. All in the time. As you can see, there's the time. Look, it did a buy at 9:52:18 seconds. And then at 9:53:06 was when it sold and made me that profit. So the bot works really, really quick. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to monitor this account. And I will be setting up another trading bot as well on this Binance account. So if you're interested in using Johnny Blockchain, click the link below. It's going to take you over to this screen. Now, we're in pre-launch at the moment, but you will get access to the AI trading bot in pre-launch. So you're going to need to do a sacrifice. So if I scroll down the screen here, you'll come to this section. Now, because we're in pre-launch, you enter an amount of BUSD that you want to sacrifice. So I'm just going to put in there 100. Now, what that's going to do when we launch, it's going to give you a deposit fund of the Vulcan token. Now, that Vulcan token will be added to your Johnny Blockchain back office, and it's going to pay you a passive income weekly until you reach 125%. So basically, you're going to be using Johnny Blockchain for free. Now, also in the pre-launch, you're getting Johnny Blockchain credits. You're going to need those credits to access the Johnny Blockchain robot, the AI robot that I just showed you. And also in the pre-launch, you're going to get these prize tickets. Now, the prize fund at the moment is up to $2,302. And when we launch, one lucky winner is going to get that amount into their MetaMask wallet. We're going to deposit $2,300 worth of Vulcan tokens into their MetaMask wallet. So if you're interested in getting into Johnny Blockchain and you want to get access to the AI trading robot, you can come in here. The minimum you can do is $15. So if you want to start with $15, that's going to give you one Vulcan token in your back office that you will get paid a weekly income until that's gone up by 125%. Then that's it. You won't get any more. So you're getting access to Johnny Blockchain for free. You're also getting these Johnny Blockchain credits. In this case, you're going to get 15 of those. And you're also going to get 9 prize draw tickets that you can enter into that fund there. So it's a great time to get involved with Johnny Blockchain because you can only get these bonuses, these free bonuses in the pre-launch phase, and you still get access to the bot. Now, once you've made your sacrifice, it's then going to take you through where you can set up a Johnny Blockchain account. And then all you need to do is to reach out to me and let me know that you want access to the robot. Leave me a comment below here saying I've made my sacrifice and you want access to the robot, and I'll get that access for you. You have a fantastic day. Click the link below. Come and sacrifice your BUSD. Get involved with Johnny Blockchain. Get these pre-launch bonuses, and I hope to see you on the inside, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. You have a great day. Bye now.